Turning videos into GIFs are a great way to promote your video on email and forums, even social media. You can use it as a teaser and get people to watch your video on YouTube. In this video, I will show you how to make a GIF out of a YouTube video with free online tools. You can convert a YouTube video into a GIF in just a few minutes. The first method looks at gifs.com. So the step one is find the YouTube video that you want to turn into a GIF and copy its URL. The next step, navigate to gifs.com, paste your chosen YouTube URL into the white box on the left of the page. It could automatically detect it. If it doesn't work right away, just click on the create button. You can also upload your own videos to the site by clicking the upload button. If your image features a promo ad, in the lower left corner, be sure to click the X to make it disappear. Otherwise, it will appear in the GIF. Then click the timeline below the image and select start and end times for your animated GIF. A blue bar indicates the period that will be used. You can make it as long or short as you'd like, but remember, the longer the animation, the bigger the file size is. Some places where you'd like to share the GIF might put a limit on the size, so I would recommend going to maybe about 9 seconds. Next, add some effects and a caption or a sticker if you like. You can also crop the image as well and add other effects. When you're satisfied, click create GIF in the top right hand corner. It may take some time to create the image, especially if you are creating a long GIF, so be patient. The next page asks you to confirm the GIF title as well as select any tags you want it to have. The final page will give you options for downloading, embedding, or sharing your newly created GIF. You're also given a preview to see what it looks like. Another popular online GIF making service is Jiffy. It supports YouTube as well as Vimeo links as well as some manually created GIFs from photos. It also has a host of different options for customizing your GIF, adding captions and other elements to make it just how you want. As a first step, copy the YouTube URL you want to make a GIF from and then navigate to gify.com. Click the create button in the top menu bar. Next, paste your YouTube URL into the input box at the base of the page. Next, choose the start time and the duration of your GIF and click continue to decorate button. Add a caption if you wish, as well as any stickers or drawn overlays. When satisfied, click the continue to upload button. Wait for the GIF to be created. If it's long, it may take some time. When fully created, click upload to Jiffy button to publish it. Use any of the on-screen links to share or embed your newly created GIF. Okay, so now you know how to make a GIF from a YouTube video.